How to change TikTok profile picture. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile option on the bottom right of your screen and you will be led to your TikTok profile. Here, tap on the edit option right beside your username, and in the interface that you will be led to, you will see the change photo option. Tap on that and you will be asked if you want to take a photo immediately or if you want to upload a new photo or if you want to view your existing profile picture. So tap on the upload photo option in order to change your photo and then go ahead and select your new profile picture. Once selected, you can tap on the post this to photo story if you want to post it to your story. If not, you can simply skip this step and finally tap on the save button, and with this, as you can see, the photo has been changed. So, this is how you can change your profile picture on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.